today I made the guy was the ghost. Look. This guy's totally a ghost. Look. Look at this guy. He's like walking like really strange. He's going totally crazy. You can't stop him. He's like riding a scooter now. Ghost detectors.
Yeah, I made a backflip. So isn't that cool? I made this guy backflip.
Okay, whatever. He won't stop it.
Yeah.
Last time I killed this guy with the Avada Kedavra. Now he's here to revenge me. Ghost. Now look, just keep walking. Thank you for watching the video.